Under the sun's golden gaze, Mittens prowls through the vibrant garden, a tiny hunter amidst a sea of blooms. A flash of color interrupts the tranquil scene as Pip, the small bird, alights on a branch, his cheerful chirps cutting through the air. Mittens freezes, her playful demeanor vanishing as primal instincts take hold, eyes fixed intently on Pip. With predatory focus, she prepares to unleash her pounce, every muscle coiled and ready. Pip chirps, "Hey, watch where you're going, furball." Under the verdant canopy of a rose bush, Mittens reclines, her golden eyes betraying a hint of ennui. Pip descends from the heavens, wings fluttering with a mix of boldness and trepidation. As it nears the feline, Pip confronts the lounging cat, its tiny voice echoing with weary accusation. "Why do you always try to chase me?" Mittens languidly replies with a sigh of resignation. "It's what cats do. But I'm kind of tired of chasing butterflies." Pip, emboldened, declares, "Well, I'm tired of being chased. Maybe we can find something else to do." An unlikely friendship blossoms as Mittens shares tales of her cozy home, and Pip recounts adventures in the boundless sky. Bathed in the golden hues of sunset, the garden becomes a haven of newfound peace. Mittens reflects, her voice soft in the tranquil air. "You know, I'm glad I didn't catch you that first day." Pip responds with a gentle chirp, gratitude coloring his tone. "Me too. Who else would keep you from chasing butterflies?" Mittens purrs contentedly, the bond between the unlikely friends solidifying under the warm glow of the setting sun.